Tortilla is good.
This is a plain tortilla?
Yeah. So, we got a treat today. Come on. Sounds like a truck. So, my work wheels won't be here for another like 2 months, or maybe a month. But there's a car meet coming up. And I thought, I can't roll up with stock wheels, so I picked up some wheels. Some Rotiform S something. They're cast. They're like brand new tires. 500 bucks. Good deals. Good deals all around. So now we get to put these things on. I got an idea.
Oh, God.
Whew. Wow. Okay, so I need to get the old wheels off. How do I do that, you ask? Torque. Fuck, what's the old? Is it 17? Oh, 19. Yeah, it's 19.
God damn it.
Please. One of these days I'll organize this mess. Not today, though. Maybe we're in business. We're gonna make this real fucking quick, baby.
So where did you drive to get these?
Fucking Mesa.
Mesa.
Woo! Ooh, fuck.
Ooh, damn.
Alright, these fit pretty well. I found them on Facebook Marketplace. of all
Really?
places, yeah. 500 bucks, like I said, with tires. The kid was nice. He knew it was my car. It smells so bad.
What does it smell like?
Ooh, yeah.
It's weird.
Clear. Damn! That's some fitment.
That looks nice. Ooh, and then when that's tucking?
Hell yeah, let's do the front. Once I put this down, should I air it out?
Yes.
Cool. Remember, kids, whenever you tighten your wheels, do a star pattern.
Because everyone's a star.
Buddy, you ready for this?
I feel like I should move my car just to get a better shot.
Do it. Oh, go! What's it look like? Damn!
It looks pretty dope.
Damn! Hell yeah. Looks like a decent little car now.
Yeah. On that side.
It doesn't look as shitty now. The fuck, James?
Lower it.
How do I lower it? How do I lower it? You can see the top of the wheel.
You good, buddy?
So Tyler drove my car last, and for some reason he's one of those guys that leaves the car in gear.
Ah. Oh,
E-brakes.
yeah. Here. Here.
Rip it! That wasn't even torqued.
What do you have?
I have the wheels, the seats, the suspension, soon to be the bumper. I think I pitched the bumper.
They probably sell it for some amount of money.
$50.
Yeah, 50 bucks. Hey, 50 bucks, 50 bucks.
See, that's where I think it's like, might as well just keep it. This shit smells awful. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Oh.
Yeah.
Damn. That looks good. Like that looks good right there.
There is a way, but
I mean, at 25 mil, you'd literally be like a little defender.
I don't want to roll my fenders
Right.
because I'm just gonna cut them off.
Right.
Unless we just do a baseball bat. Nah, I don't want it to look like shit.
A baseball bat to the fender?
Yeah.
Or no, just like a ghetto fender roller?
Yeah, or you just. Yeah, no, not just bang, bang.
It's like, yep, that's
Oh
good.
my god, these wheels stink.
Yeah, I think they smell like that damn wheel cleaner.
They look clean, but fucking A. Shit's nasty. Adam's polishes, you guys need to work on your shit, because god damn it smells.
Look at him.
Scooter.
This is how we're gonna do
Scooter.
Just like this, man. Versatile.
Hey man, nice car.
Hey.
Hey,
But-
nice car.
Oh, he looks so sad.
What's up, Scoots?
You're so clean.
Oh. Come here.
Scooter.
You need to drop the front.
Yeah, I do.
Like your drive height in the front needs to be down like where it sits normally.
The rear's pretty solid.
Yeah, the rear's good.
Sick.
Okay, I'm going. It's fucking cold.
Bye bye.
See you boys in hopefully nothing longer than like 45 minutes.
Have fun.